Okay. Ndewo. Kedu ka unu mere taa? Achọghị m ka Ezinne zaa. Kedu ka unu mere? Unu nụrụ ihe m na-ajụ? Kedu ka onye ọbụla mere? Ezinne, achọghị m ka eza ya, achọrọ m ka onye ọzọ zaa ya. Kedu ka unu mere taa? Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? Is everybody in the class? Wow. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
So why is it that nobody is responding to me? So no other person can answer this except Ezinne. Kedu ka onye ọbụla mere?
Anyị dị mma.
Kedu onye na-aza m kwuru before you answer me? Say your
Afọ bụ Oluchi.
Anyị dị gịnị mma akwa ya. So I have you guys on this line. I know how many people we have 7 so far. So I need everybody to respond to me. I'm backing up from what we did before. Just trying to go back because it looks like you guys are not carrying forward. When I ask for this is the beginning of the class, okay? And then this is just the normal questions and greetings, miscellaneous. So you're supposed to answer me because you're supposed to know it. I expect you guys to open your mouth and answer me. And I'm going to speak more of Igbo because this is intermediate class. Okay, so please let us try our best. And if you don't answer me, I will ask you a question. And then if you have a question, ask me. That way I will know what you don't know. And then I should be able to help you out. Okay, tata. Anyị nwere ihe a na-akpọ n'izu ụka gara aga. Anyị mere quiz. Ihe a na-akpọ ajụjụ. So ajụjụ. And then I want to know, kedu mmadụ ole gara na Quizlet? Mmadụ ole gara ga review na Quizlet? How many people went to that Quizlet? How many people got to review the Quizlet? I want to know. Mmadụ ole means how many people review the Quizlet?
Me. Ezinne.
Ezinne. Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ?
Chico and Ifemuta.
Kedu onye ọzọ means who else reviewed the Quizlet after the quiz last week?
Chico and Ifemuta.
Kwụsie okwu ike means speak loud.
Chico and Ifemuta.
Chico, you can't answer for Ifenlota. I need Ifenlota to answer for herself. So if this is Chico, tell me, is Chico talking? Oh, Chico na-ekwu, ọkwa no Ifenlota na-ekwu. You can't answer for Ifenlota. So kedu onye kwuru okwu mbụ? Kedu onye kwuru okwu?
Oh, Chico na-ekwu.
Okay, Chico, Chico, ị gara na quiz kwa ya?
Yes.
Ị ga-aza m ya n'Igbo. Yes abụ Igbo, Chico. Ka etu esi asị yes n'Igbo? Ifenlota ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Ifenlota ọ nọ ebe ahụ, Chico? Ebe Ifenlota na-achọghị ikwu okwu. Chico, Ifenlota ọ nọ ebe ahụ? Is Chico not on the line? Chico not on the line.
Oh, Ifenlota na-ekwu.
Okay, Ifenlota, ị gara aga mee quiz? Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, so I guess we have to move forward. All right, so today we're going to do a negative infinitive. Okay, so last 2 weeks and 3 weeks we did something like that, and we did the quiz last week. So the negative infinitive is how to say something when you want to say no, or then yes. We did the positive one last 2 weeks. So now I know we've done this in the classroom, but I'm just going over again to help some of you, because you are not talking, and we need to interact more in Igbo. We have to do interaction to make sure that everybody is moving along. Okay, so when you say, I didn't do something, I didn't. What's going on with my distance? Okay. All right. You say, I didn't, Miss and Megan. Let's just limit it on I didn't. I didn't. Utara. Megan. Me. Him. And I will put this separate. Okay, now, kedu onye this wụ for? Who is this E? I mean, is referring to? Somebody, if you know it, I need you to say your name and answer.
Brian Ohio.
I. Okay, is referring to I. Yes, Brian, the right. Brian. So is referring to I did not do it. I. Okay. Megan. I is didn't. Megan. Okay. Megan. I didn't do it. All right. So when you say a Megan, now there's another word you can say. A togim. Azagem. Now I will say ezinne. Ezara ụlọ. Ezinne. Ọwụ na ịchọ ịgwa m na ezaghị ụlọ. Ka ị ga-esi were gwa m ya?
Megan.
No, we have to use the keyword. Za. You have to use the keyword. Again?
Azagem.
Azagem. Good. Azagem. So I did. So what does it mean? What does azagem mean in English?
I didn't sweep.
I didn't sweep. Yes, sweep means sweep means za. Okay, now when you say sweep, when you say sweep, it means za.
Actually, you can something right there.
Za. Now sweep the floor. Za means sweep. Now you say sweep the floor. So kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe ọ pụtara na Igbo? Sweep the floor. Kedu onye ga-ekwu ihe ọ pụtara na Igbo? Kedu ndị na-ekwu okwu ahụ? Cherenụ. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe we sweep the floor pụtara? Oluchi. When I say sweep the floor, gịnị ka m kwuru n'Igbo? Sweep the floor. Okay, onye ga ife nlota. Gịnị wu sweep the floor? Ife nlota n'ebe ahụ. Gịnị wu sweep the floor?
Za ụlọ.
Yes, za ụlọ. That's good. Za ụlọ. Za ụlọ. Even though what it means, ụlọ means house, but in Igbo, za ụlọ will sweep the floor. Or some people they can say za ala ụlọ. Za ala ụlọ. It can also be za ala ụlọ, which is ala ụlọ means floor. Okay, don't forget to put the dot on the U. We don't have the software yet to, get it how it's supposed to be. I have to go to insert the symbols, and I don't want it to waste our time, but I'm still going to do it. Za olo, za ala, olo. Ala means the floor. Some people can say za ala, so they are all the sentence. Za ala olo or za olo. So make sure you know, carry forward. Don't say, okay, za olo means to sweep the house. Yes, some people can say that. It can mean so, sweep the house. But za olo means to sweep the floor. Whenever you hear that, it means to sweep the floor. Okay, za olo. Okay, now I will see some of you. Mfugi n'ụzọ. Enwere m ike Chiko Chinelo mfụ gị n'ụzọ nsị gị, hey Chinelo itola, Chinelo etola, Chinelo etola. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru? Onye ma ya zaa.
All Ezuneneko. Nello, you've woken up or you waked up.
Nello did what?
She woke up.
No. Eto. Okay, let me write it. Nello itola. Itola. This is what I've said here. Nello itola. I haven't seen her for a while. Okay. Nello itola. Now, let me back up first. Let me back up. When you hear za, we say sweep is za. Now, when I ask it, this is another word in za. If I ask a question, and then if is za, it means answer the question. So this is a sweep is za. Then you can also have za answer. You see that? And that can also mean answer. When I said something and then Chico didn't say, I said Chico, za. Or I can also say za ajuju. Answer the question. That means answer. Then when I say za ajuju, it means answer the question. Za ajuju. Ajuju.
Now he's sweeping all the dust to you. You know that.
Brian, now mute yourself. You're making noise. We don't want people talking anyhow. This is a classroom. Okay, za ajojo. I'm trying to put ajojo. Za ajojo. Okay, so answer the question. That's what it means. Za ajojo. Answer the question. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm not missing anybody. All right. Za ajojo. Answer the question. Okay. So let me page setup. Okay. Okay. So that, did you see the difference? So the word za can be sweep, but you can also add za olo, za ala olo. These are several ways to say it. Za olo. But now I'm going to move this down because I don't want to confuse you. Now, if I leave it here, I want you to know that what I am saying is this. Sweep means za. Now, you can also say za means also answer. Za, answer. Okay? You can also say za, ajuju, answer the question. I want to make sure that what I put here, that you are not confused. on the note. Okay. Now we come down here and say sweep the floor. Za olo or za ala olo. I want it to be clear, please. Now, backing up to what I was saying before, I said, Nelo, itola. So, you know, sometimes remember coronavirus, everybody is in the house at home, not going anywhere. And I haven't seen you guys for a while. Our dance practice, we have not been able to come together to practice all these things. And then after coronavirus, by God's grace, it's gonna be over soon. And I want everybody to be safe, please. So probably we resume our dance practices and everything. And then when I see Nelo, I say, Nelo, itola, it means, oh, no, Nello, you've grown. You've grown. Did you see what it is now? It's not Itela. Yeah, isn't I see where you are coming from. Itela, that's what you thought that I said, but Itola. So isn't it thought that I said Nello? Itela, Itela. It means, have you woken up? That's what isn't it thought that I said, but this is Itola. So now that I've written it out, you see the difference. Okay. Itela means, have you woken up? Nelo. But let me finish this. I want us to finish this one. I don't want to keep going back and forth. Okay. Nelo. Itola. Itola. And this E is Nelo. It's referring Itola. Okay. Nelo. Itola. Okay, now, Nello, if you want to tell me, no, Auntie, I didn't grow that much. I didn't grow. Just stop at I didn't grow. So how do you say it? Remember, we are doing the negative infinitive. How to say things in a negative way. How to say, no, it didn't happen. So tell me, Nello, or if another person, if you know it, how do you answer me? And this negative, let me add it there, is Jim. Yeah, yeah, this is what we are using here. You're trying to put that one. It didn't. Something like it didn't. Okay. So who will answer me? If I say Itola, and then she wants to say, no, I didn't grow. Who will answer me? I want you to use the negative infinitive that we are doing. Who can answer me? Okay, moving on. Nello will say, Mba, Mba, etogim, etogim. You see that? Etogim. Remember, you use the key word, but it's referring to you. We are just doing the possessive pronoun that we're trying to add in this. Okay, so I want you to understand what we're doing. We are just doing you, referring to you. We haven't even thought like second person, third person. We haven't done the third person. We are just doing the singular. We are going to do the third person, second person, plural. But now we are just trying to focus in on you, okay? Which is trying to use that GHI and M. So mba, etogim. Now, if you want to say, yes, I grew a little bit. So how do you say, yes, I grew? Is anybody hearing me? Is somebody on the line? I need to make sure that you guys are listening, but I need you to open your mouth because you know it. Who can answer me? I grew. Yes, I grew. This is not no, I didn't. So nobody knows how to say yes with the word, with the key word. Mba, etogim.
I is an eneku. Etolam.
Yes. Thank you, Ezinne, for bailing everybody out. Yes. Yes. I grew. Okay. Yeah. Etorum or etolam. Wonderful. Thank you so much. So you say yes. I grew a little bit. I grew a little bit. Some people add or you can just leave it. It is the same. Etorum, etorum, or etolam. You can write it together. Etolam. See that? Etorum or etolam. So you can even put the E and T together. It doesn't matter. But that E, I separated it just to let you know. You are referring to yourself. You are referring to yourself. That was why I separated it. But you can also write it together. It doesn't matter. Okay. So did we get it? Okay. Now, if we say something, ha obiara n'ụlọ anyị taa. Kedu onye ga-aza m in a negative way? Ha bịara na ụlọ anyị taa. And when I say her, I'm referring to who? What is her? The pronoun. Somebody need to answer me, please. You're supposed to know this. Gịnị wụ ha? What is her?
Them.
Good. Okay, so what did I mean by that? Ha bịara n'ụlọ anyị.
Did they come to our house?
Good job. Okay, now, onye na-ekwu? Kedu onye na-ekwu?
Oluchi Neku.
Oluchi, ngwa gwa m sị m mba. Okay, Oluchi gwa m na ha abịaghị n'ụlọ anyị. Gwa m na ha abịaghị n'ụlọ anyị.
Mba.
Complete it now. Gwa m na ha abịaghị. Remember, we are doing the negative part. Gwa m na ha abịaghị na ụlọ anyị.
Ha
abịaghị. Okay, let me put it. Did they come? Ha ọ bịara. Ha ọ bịara. Ọ bịara na ụlọ anyị taa. It's a question. Then Oluchi, you will answer me. Mba.
Mba.
Ha abịaghị. Abịaghị. Mba. Ha abịaghị. Remember, we are using this GHI, which is re. Ha abịaghị na ụlọ anyị. Ha abịaghị n'ụlọ anyị. N'ụlọ anyị. You can stop there. If you like, you can put ta, because I asked a question and it's something that is happening now. Did they come to our house? Okay, so this is what it means. Did they come to our house today? And Ezinne said, no, they did not come. It means no. They did. Remember, you're going to put this exclamation mark. They did not come. All right, so that's how you say it. Okay, now going back to what Ezinne thought that I said before. Itela. Itela means have you woken up? Okay, Ezinne, tell me in a negative way. Answer me in a negative way. Ezinne, itela.
Atelagi.
Huh?
Atelagi.
What do you want to say? Tell me what you wanted to say in English.
I have not woken up.
Okay, now I want you to, because I think you are still confused. Use that G, C-G-H-I. We're trying to say, do it in a negative way, trying to say no. Okay? Mba. Etebegem. So use the key word. Itela. Then I say mba. Etebegem. Some people, some dialects, okay? But this is the Central Igbo. I know some people, they use it differently according to their dialect, but mba, ete tagibegim, ete, I'm going to break it in syllables. Ete ta, be, yim, see that? Ete ta begim. Some people will say ete begim, mba, ete begim. You see that? Eteta begim, it is the central one, but some dialects, most people, they say mba. Ah, that's wrong. The mba is wrong. The mba. Ete begim, it means I have not woken up. But if you're talking to me saying that, forget about it, it is really funny when somebody says, no, I'm still sleeping. And you guys, you do it a lot. When I say, oh, if are you awake, mba. But you're talking to me, showing that you're already awake. You see that? That's really funny though, but that's by the way. So, eteta begim or ete begim, you see that? Okay, when I look at all of you, and I said, unu etela e. Unu etela e. Can somebody answer me? This is plural. And I'm asking all of you, and somebody's supposed to answer on behalf of everybody. So, onye ga-aza Zaya. Kedu onye ga-aza m ya? Unu etela e.
Oluchi Nekwu.
Oluchi ngwa.
Have all of us woke up?
Aha, ngwa za m ya n'Igbo. Na negative. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịgwa m, no, we've not. Achọrọ m ka ịza m ya n'Igbo. Oluchi ngwa.
Mba.
I'm writing what you say. Ana m ede ihe ị na-ekwu. Means I am writing what you are saying. Ana m ede ihe ị na-ekwu means I am writing what you are saying. Go ahead. Use the keyword. Use the keyword. You see that? Use the keyword. Unu etela, the only difference, the only thing in tinyere, diche. The only thing that is different is uno. I'm trying to use that pronoun to help you make the sentence. So we're trying to learn to make sentences here, okay?
Okay.
Uno etela e. And then mba. You know what is uno, isn't it?
Yes.
What is uno?
They or us.
No. Uno. You
Oh.
all. And then if you want to answer, you have to include yourself, which is mba, anyị etebeghi, or anyị etetabeghi. Mba, anyị, unu, because I'm referring to you guys, I'm looking at you guys. This is a direct question. And I said, unu etela e. Mba, anyị etetabeghi, or anyị etetabeghi, or etebeghi. Okay, anyị etetabeghi. So some people, but let's use the central one. Mba, anyị etetabeghi. Okay, anyị etetabeghi. So, onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? nwere onye nwere ajụjụ n'ihe ndị a anyị mere ka m amara maka anyị ga-eme ihe ọzọ. Kedu o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Means anybody with a question? Onye nwere ajụjụ ọ ga-ajụ? O nwere nwere ajụjụ?
Still teaching.
So, kedu onye na-ekwunu? O nwere onye kwuru? Kedu onye na-ekwu okwu? Achọrọ m ịma onye na-ekwunu. Kwuo aha gị. Ikwu aha gị, then gị jụọ ajụjụ ị chọrọ ịjụ.
She's asking you. Say Pascal.
What you say?
Pascal is asking who is coming in.
Okay,
Pascal?
achọrọ m ka Pascal jiri ọnụ ya kwuo afa ya.
Okay.
Pascal, ịma ntụ anyị siri kwu etu esi eme introduction. So,
Okay,
kwuo afa gị.
Ibolachi.
Olee onye na-ekwunu?
I'm not doing this, man.
He said who is talking.
Ọwụ papa gị, ọwụ gị papa gị, ọ nna gị ga na-ekwuru gị. Pascal, ị ga-eji ọnụ gị kwuo okwu. Ị ga-agwa anyị ihe anyị. Pascal, achọrọ m ka ị gwa m sị, this is Pascal talking or speaking. And achọrọ m ka ị kwuo ya n'Igbo. Ikwesịkwele ịmụ etu esi ekwu ya. You are supposed to know how to say that by now. Pascal, can you introduce yourself?
I forgot.
Okay, Pascal, he ga-ekwu ọ Pascal na-ekwu ọ abụ m Pascal. Then you ask your question. Okay, so can you say that?
Abu Pascal.
Abụ m Pascal. Kedu aha Igbo gị, Pascal?
What?
Kedu aha Igbo gị ma ọ bụkwanụ gịnị bụ afa Igbo gị? Gịnị bụ afa Igbo gị? What is your Igbo name?
Uche.
Okay, Uche. Ọ bụ Uche na-ekwu. Uche, ị pụtala taa?
Huh?
Uche, ị pụtala taa e?
I'm sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, Uche, I think you need to back up and go review your lessons because you've done this several times in the classroom. Okay, just because we started the visual classroom doesn't mean you forget everything. Ị pụtala taa? Okay, Uche, kedu ka ị mere?
I'm sorry. I'm confused.
Oh, so Uche, you don't even know how are you? We did this thing in the classroom. Remember, the very first thing we did. Okay, now I think we need to stop talking too much and stop writing now. We need to be more interactive right now. I'm going to be calling everybody. And when I call you, please answer me. Okay, Uchechi. Uchechi, kedu ka ị mere taa?
Okay, I'm not saying no, whatever it is.
Uchechi, kedu ka ị mere taa? Uchechi, afụrụ m afa gị ihe ama m ndị niile nọ na line, ndị niile nọ na klaasị a. Uchechi, I'm calling Uchechi Nwuha. Kedu ka ị mere? Uchechi, ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu? Ezinne, kedu ka ị mere?
Ayema.
Adị m mma. Okay, good. Nelo, gịnị bụ afa gị? Nelo, ọ nụrụ ihe m na-ekwu? Nelo, ọ nọ ya? Okay, Chukwudi. Chukwudi, gịnị bụ afa gị?
Afa m bụ Chinelo.
What's that?
Okay, Chinelo, daalụ. Afa m bụ Chinelo or aha m bụ Chinelo. Ọ means ma ọ bụ. Or means ma ọ bụ. Ma ọ bụ. Afa m bụ Nelo ma ọ bụ aha m bụ Nelo. Okay. Now, Ifi, kedu ebe ị na-aga? I asked, where are you going? Okay, Ify is not answering. Ifenlota, kedu ebe naga? If you are going somewhere, tell me you're going somewhere. If you are not going somewhere, tell me you are not going somewhere. Ifenlota, kedu ebe naga? Just make up something, say something.
Ana m aga ụlọ m.
Dalu Ifenlota, wonderful. Ifenlota said, I am going to the hospital. Anam aga ụlọọgwụ. Dalu so much. Anam aga going. Ụlọọgwụ. Ụlọọgwụ means hospital. Anam aga ụlọọgwụ. Wonderful. Okay, achọrọ m ka onye ọzọ gwa m. I am not going anywhere. Okay? I am not going anywhere. Somebody answer me. Okay, I think I have to pick. Ezinne, I want you to be the one to tell me. I am not going anywhere in Igbo. The negative part that we are trying to put here. Ezinne, kedu ebe ị na-aga? Just try, just try.
Agaghị m.
Okay, Ezinne, if you want to tell me you're not going anywhere, this is how you say it. Anagim, remember we are doing the negative, the participles, okay? No, infinitives. Anagim, anagim, remember G-H-I, G-E. Anagim, aga, ebe ọbụla. Anagim aga ebe ọbụla. That's what you're supposed to say. Okay. Chico, kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ? Chico, kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ? You can tell me nobody is knocking on the door, or you can tell me somebody. You can make up a name and say, okay, so and so person is knocking on the door. So Chico, kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ?
Oh, Ifenlota na-akụ.
Ebee ka Chico nọ, Ifenlota? Ifenlota, kedu ebe Chico nọ?
She's right here.
Zam ya n'Igbo. Ị ga-aza m ihe m jụrụ gị n'Igbo. Kedu ebe Chico nọ? Ọ bụrụ na ọ nọ ebe ahụ, gị gwa m. Zam, kedu ebe Chico nọ, Ifenlota?
Ọ nọ n'ebe a.
Okay, daalụ Ifenlota, you're doing very well. Wonderful. Okay, Chico, ọ bụghị Ifenlota ga-aza ajụjụ gị. Chico, achọrọ m ka ọ bụrụ gị ga-aza ya. Kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ anyị, Chico? Kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ anyị? Kedu means who is onye na-akụ knocking n'ụzọ, on the door, our door. Who is knocking on our door? Okay, so Chico, kedu onye na-akụ aka n'ụzọ anyị?
Oh, Dumebi na-akụ aka n'ụzọ.
Yay! Wonderful. Daalụ, daalụ, daalụ. Chico zatara ya. Uchenna, kedu ebe isi abịaga? Kedu ebe isi? Ma ọ bụkwanụ, kedu ebe ị gara? Uchenna, kedu ebe ị gara? O nwekwara ndị ga-asị, Uchenna, kedu ebe isi? Uchenna, where are you from? Where are you coming from? I see you and you're walking towards me and I say, Uchenna, kedu ebe isi? Uchechi, I want you to answer this question. Uchechi, kedu ebe isi abịa? If you're coming from somewhere, just tell me, I am coming from maybe Amala's house, or tell me, okay, I'm not coming from, I'm just here. Just answer me in Igbo. Kedu ebe isi, Uchenna? Kedu onye ga-aza ajụjụ ahụ? Kedu onye ga-enyere Uchenna aka? Onye ga-enyere Uchechi aka? Kedu onye ga-enyere Uche echi aka? Oluchi, ị ga-enyere Uche echi aka? Oluchi,
Yes,
kedu
miss.
ebe I si abịa? Kedu ebe I jere? Kedu ebe ị gara? If you want to tell me you went somewhere, just tell me. If you say, oh, you didn't go anywhere, just tell me. Kedu ebe ị gara, Oluchi?
Mba,
Okay, tell me that you went to Nkechi's house.
Jerem Nkechi's.
Don't forget the subject, the noun
Oh,
there.
wait.
Yeah. Tell me you went to Nkechi's house.
Jerem Ula Nkechi.
You're missing something there, the preposition there. You're missing na. That's the only thing you're missing. So I want you to say it correctly. Repeat what you said, but put na there.
What did I say?
You said it. You forgot what you just said. You know it. You just said something. How can you forget it? Come on. Practice makes perfect. Go ahead.
Jerem Ula Nkechi na.
No, you still no. Ejerem na. Ejerem na. That's where na supposed to come in. I went to. Okay?
Jerem na Ula Nkechi.
There you go. That's the way you're supposed to answer it. Okay, now tell me. I didn't go anywhere.
Mba.
No, you're not supposed to answer mba because I asked a question. So now just tell me I did not go anywhere. I asked you, where did you go? I didn't go anywhere. That's the only thing I want you to answer me.
Ejegim.
Ejegim ebe ọbụla. Ọ nọ n'elu ebe akwụ na azaburu m before. Ejegim ebe ọbụla. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Okay, let's put it down. Agaghị m aga. This is referring to you. You're saying me. I did not go anywhere. Agaghị m. And let's pay attention. We're trying to add the negative. We are doing this. I want you to know what we are doing. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Okay. All right. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. All right. I didn't go anywhere. All right. Okay, so o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Anybody with any question? You don't ask me any question, I'm going to ask you. Ma ịjụghị m ajụjụ, aga m ajụ gị. You don't ask me any question, I will ask you a question. Ma ịjụghị m ajụjụ, aga m ajụ gị ajụjụ. So akọwara m ihe ọ pụtara n'Igbo. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ ọ ga-ajụ? O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Oh, ngwanụ ka m ajụzi unu. Let me ask a question and please make sure you answer me. Unu ọ na-agakwa ụka? I know, yeah, coronavirus is going on. And yeah, the services, the church, you can do it with your family at home with the pre-recorded one. Or you can join live on the TV through your church, wherever church you go to. It doesn't matter. You join and do that. So the question I ask is this. Do you guys do your service. Oka means church. Oka means church. So who can, I want this class to be as interactive as possible, okay? I want us to interact, and that's the best way for us to learn too. Okay. Kedu ihe unu nwere ime? Okay, aga m na-akpụzi afa. Ezinne, kedu ihe ị nwere ime n'ụlọ unu taa? Kedu ihe ị nwere ime n'ụlọ unu taa? What do you have to do at your house today? Or in your house today? Ezinne, ị nọ ebe ahụ? Okay, ife nlota, gịnị ka ị nwere ime n'ụlọ unu taa? Ife nlota, gịnị ka ị nwere ime n'ụlọ unu taa?
Aga m larụla.
Oh, ife nlota si a ga-ararụ ụra. Okay. Ife nlota, ọ sụrụ onwe ihe ọzọ ị nwere ime n'ụlọ. O nwere ihe ọzọ ị nwere ime? Ịrahicha ụra, kedu ihe ọzọ ị nwere ime? Ife nlota, come on, you know what to say. Just say something. Ịrahicha ụra. Ife nlota said she's going to sleep. And then I said, after sleeping, what else do you have to do? So ife nlota, ịrahicha ụra, kedu ihe ọzọ ị nwere ime?
Aga m eri nri.
Oh, ị ga-eri nri. Yeah, good. Ife nlota sị ya ga-eri nri, that she's going to eat. Oh, Chiko, kedu onye ga-esi nri n'ụlọ unu taa? Chiko, ngwa. Don't waste time. Answer me. Chiko, kedu onye ga-esi nri n'ụlọ unu?
Nne m ga-esi nri.
Nne m ga-esi nri. Wonderful. Chiko saw her mother is going to cook. Uchechi, kedu onye ga-aga ikute mmiri a ga-eji eri nri? Who is going to get the water for the lunch or dinner for everybody to drink on the table? Who will bring the water to the table? Kedu onye ga-ekute mmiri a ga-eji eri nri? Uchechi n'ebe ahụ. Uchenna Ọhaya. Uchenna, kedu onye ga-ekute mmiri a ga-eji ri nri? Onye na-aza m ga-atọ onye ọzọ. Uche Pascal, kedu onye ga-ekute mmiri? Uche, gịnị wu mmiri? Pascal, I'm asking you, Pascal, which is Uche.
Yes.
Gịnị wu mmiri?
What?
Gịnị bụ mmiri? What is mmiri? What is it in English? What is it? Tell me, what is mmiri?
Mary?
Kedu onye ma ihe wu mmiri? Uchenna nọ n'ebe ahụ. Gịnị wu mmiri?
That inside or something?
Mmiri is water. Water is mmiri. Okay,
So,
Ezinne, kedu onye ga-ekute mmiri a ga-eji eri nri? And I want you to answer me in a complete sentence. Ezinne, don't waste time.
Nwanne m nwanyị ga-akụtara mmiri.
Okay, mmiri a ga-eji eri nri. That's good. Nwanne m nwanyị. Ezinne sị, nwanne m nwanyị ga-ekute mmiri a ga-eji eri nri. Nwanne m nwanyị pụtara my sister. My sister. Okay. I need somebody to tell me. My grandmother will bring the water. Somebody try. Nelo, you know grandmother? Nelo, you know grandmother? Oluchi, you know grandmother?
Nne m ochie.
Nne m ochie or nne m or nne m. Nne m ochie. Nne m ochie or nne m, which is your grandmother from your father's side. Nne m, your grandmother from your mother's side. Nnenam, your grandmother from your father's side. Nennem, your grandmother from your mother's side. Or Nem Oshie. Nem Oshie, that's grandmother. Ongwa Oluchigwam, grandmother. Your grandmother will get the water. Say it in Igbo.
Nnem noche ga.
Nne m ochie ga-ekute mmiri. You see that? It means
Yes.
she'll be the one to bring the water. Okay. Okay, now achọrọ m ka unu jụọ m ajụjụ onye ọwụla ihe onwe ihe ị chọrọ ịma etu esi ekwu ya. Then jụọ m ya ka m akọwara gị unu etu esi ekwu ya. If there's anything you want to know how to say in Igbo, ask me now. You have to ask, you have to talk. I cannot be the only one talking. Ask me questions. And before you come to class, list your questions so that you can ask me when you come to class. Anything you want to know.
All isn't it cool?
Good. Isn't it?
If I wanted to say I can or I can't do something, like if I want to say I can't speak or I can't go, how would I say that?
Okay. I can't go. Agagim aga. Agagim aga. I can't go. Or, okay, agam aga. I will go. But remember the negative that we are doing today is agagim aga. I can type it, okay? I want to go. Ah means you. I. Aga. Agagim aga. Or if you want to say, okay, I would like to go. Agam, I will like to go. Let's say that one. I will like to go. Agam, acho, like means acho. I will means agam. Okay, like means acho. Agam acho. Put dot underneath the O, please. Agam acho ega. See that I will like to go. Ega is a. A is referring to you. Agam acho ega. That's good. That's good. Any other question? Come on, let's run, guys. Agam acho ega. That's a good question, isn't it, darling? Kedu onye ọjọọ nwere ajụjụ?
Oluchi nekwu.
Okay, Oluchi.
Auntie, how do you say what are you doing?
What are you doing? Okay. What are you doing? Remember what means gini. Try to put it together. Gini. Gini ka. A is ka. Gini ka. Ina eme doing. E is referring to that person you're asking a question. You say, what is gini? Gini ka. Ah. You doing. You means E. What? Okay, what are you doing? I missed that one. What are you doing? E is referring you. A is ka. Doing. What are you doing? Gini ka e na eme. See that? Gini ka e na eme. That's good. Gini ka e na eme. What are you doing? Okay, I'm not doing anything. Anaghị m eme ihe ọbụla. Remember, ihe ọbụla. Ihe ọbụla. Anaghị m eme ihe ọbụla. I am not doing anything. So I'm going to write that one. Somebody else, please come up with a question. Class will be over soon. I am not doing anything. Okay? I am not doing anything. Okay? Anaghị m eme ihe ọbụla. Anaghị m eme ihe ọbụla. I am not doing anything. Okay. Any other question? Any other question?
No.
Jụọ m ajụjụ, jụọ m ajụjụ, jụọ m ajụjụ, jụọ m ajụjụ.
How you say go? How you say go outside?
How do you say go outside? Okay, go outside. Pụọ na iro. Pụọ. Okay, go outside. Pụọ na iro. Pụọ means go. Pụọ, or put dots on U and O. Or you can say pụọ ọga na iro. Iro or ezi. Ezi. Now, iro can also mean road. But in this context, what you said, in this context, what you said here is gaa na iro, pụọ na ezi, go outside. Just go outside. Now, iro can also mean road. Pụọ na iro, get out of the road. Get out of the road. Pụọ na iro means get off the road. Get off the road. Or gawa na ezi, you can say go outside. Okay? Pụọ. Don't forget to put dot on the pụọ, U and the O, please. Go outside. Gaa na iro. Iro can mean road. Okay? Ezi. Now, coming to this ezi now. Another word that is ezi. 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 There's another word there, which is ezi means pig. Depending on the sound, ezi, 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 which is outside, is flat. But ezi, ezi, the pig is flat and slightly up. Ezi, ezi, down. You see that? Ezi, ezi. Okay? So ezi means pig. I want you to know that. Okay, onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ ọ ga-ajụ? Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ ọ ga-ajụ? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Jụọnụ m ajụjụ, jụọnụ m ajụjụ. The class is still going on. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
All isn't an echo.
Okay, Ezinne ngwa.
How would I say so?
Soap.
The word
Okay. Soap. You mean soap? That's what you mean?
No, like so, S-O.
Okay, so you want to plant something? Or you want
Like,
to sew a cloth or something like that?
like, for example, I can say, are we going
Or you
to
want to say, oh, so?
Yes.
You want to
Auntie.
tell somebody, so what?
Or like,
okay, you want to say so? Is that what you're trying to say?
yes, Auntie, like, are we going to the store so I can buy food?
Oh, okay. So, it's like, so, so there are so many, this is a kind of like a slang or a way to say so. But if you're trying to say just ordinary so, nonchalantly, so if somebody will say something, say, that's what it means, so means, but if you want to say, okay, let's go to this place so that I can, so that it means, can nwee ike, so that, if you want to say so that, it means nwee ike, so that I can, okay, that. But if you're going to say, if you're saying that alone, that it means ihe, that, ahụ. This is that with dot underneath the U. Ihe, that means ahụ. If you're saying so alone, or say so I can, nwee ike, I can, so that I can, so that, nwee ike. So if that's what you're asking, but if you just want to say just so, You see that? So did I answer your question, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay. Okay. I will know one year ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Anyị ga-ejizi egwu Igbo. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị gara enwu ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị gara enwu jisie n'ike jisenike sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. So I need all of you to sing it. 1, 2, go.
Anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo sụba anyị ghara ịnwụ.
Guys, wait. We need to do better than this. We're supposed to know this song, please. Everybody should sing at the same time. I need to hear all of you sing. We need to use it to close the class. Ndị nne na nna, I need everybody to pronounce the word clearly. Ikwu n'ibe anyị na. So I need you to start all over again. 1, 2, go, everybody.
Anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo
ikwu n'ibe anyị
na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo asụsụ Igbo anyị na-arịọ jisie n'ike sụba Igbo asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu jisie n'ike jisenike sụba Igbo asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu.
Okay, ndị niile mepere ọnụ ha gụọ egwu a unu agbalịala. Chukwu gozie unu means God. Chukwu means God. Bless you all. So all of you that sung, please, wonderful, wonderful. And if you know you don't know this song, please learn it. We're going to use it to be closing class every time. Each class, we're going to use this song to close it. Learn this song. Learn this song. You're supposed to know it. Please. And please go back and learn everything. I will post the lesson. Go to YouTube link. And then you see, subscribe. Not just go there and do the lesson. You have to subscribe so that every time we post a lesson, you could get a notice. Okay? And then I will post the notes. Even though everything is here, I will still post it to the WhatsApp forum. But please go over everything. Next week, we are going to do the imperatives. So we're going to do all those. But we're still going to be going back and reviewing. And I will make another Quizlet for you guys. Okay? You have a question, feel free to put it down during class. At the end of the class, you can ask the question. Okay? All right, guys. Unu emela ka ọ dịnụ na izu ọzọ. Izu ọzọ means another week. Next week. Ngwa ka unu niile nwee n'ụbọchị ọma o. Ndewonu. Ndewonu.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ. Ọnwụ Ada Ọgọchukwu Kwunet Ọhaya na-ekwu. Ka ọ dị ka o mesịanụ.
Obalo.
Okay. All right. Stop sharing. And